11:20. Quick stay in the United Club at 71A is finished. Agents said they are boarding for Beijing now, so I've got to get back over to Terminal G. But I did get my hotel booked on Priceline for the stay tomorrow night near Beijing Capital Airport. Got the Holiday Inn for $60 plus tax, not bad at all. I think it's listed as a 4-star property on Priceline. All right, back to G. And now down a little ways back to, what was it, G93, the gate for Beijing. Not too much farther down on the left here. Oh, yeah. Wonder how far I've walked around the airport today. Oh, I hear them paging for me. Oh, G91. Oh no, 93, yeah. Down the escalator here. Okay, so it was exactly a 7-minute walk from the 71A United Club back to the gate here. Coming down the escalator, 11:27. And we'll shortly be on board the 777-200 to Beijing. Time is now 3:53 a.m. China Standard Time, Saturday, October 28th. We've started our Pacific crossing here on United Flight 888 from San Francisco to Beijing.